Hello and welcome to the second episode of the podcast I'm doing and to the 21st episode of Everyday DJ. Today we are going to discuss about a subject that I found like a few hours ago, or at least that I finally understood a few hours ago because it was preventing me to do the things correctly and to keep doing them for years because it won't give as significant results if I start doing them right now. Basically, what that means is that at least you know that for growing my YouTube channel, I adopted the 180 rule of Gary which is basically to engaging with the community and talking with people. And it is not quick method to get subscribers, but it works to get people that are engaged with your content because you basically engage with them. Problem is that when you try to be like, okay, I want to have more subscribers by doing that, which is cool, but when you're watching too much your sub count, you end up like not finding your method efficient and you stop doing it, which is a bit unfortunate for me because if I stop doing it, I won't have any results. And that's something I need to do for a long time, but that works. And when you understand that, it really unlocks a lot of things because you start not taking care about the numbers. And why is it important to not care about numbers? Because it can make you want to have quick things, quick results, and quick is something that everything which starts with quick, fast, you should avoid it. Because at least for me, what I'm trying to build is something significant, something big, something that will last forever. And you can do that by looking for shortcuts all the time. Of course, you should try to search what is the best way to go to what you want to where you want to go. But you don't have to search always the quick fix, the quick and easy things to do, because oftentimes they won't lead to the results you want. Let's take for example cryptocurrency and things like that, because I get contacts by a lot of those kind of people or bots, I don't know, that want me to try to buy Bitcoin. I know people that have bought with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in the best and that made a great amount of money, but the thing is that when you are searching for quick money, it doesn't last forever and you enter in a mindset of a very dangerous mindset, I would say, because you start paying everything like, oh yeah, I should pay these guys so it helps me to do that. But you end up having not significant results because you are lazy and you are not putting in the work. Because let's face it, why are you searching quick fixes, quick things? Because oftentimes I think it comes down to the fact that you are not willing enough to do things that are hard. And that's normal. As I said, you always have to search for the thing that will be the most efficient, but not for the things that will be easier. The thing is that you shouldn't go for the thing that seems easier and going to the things that is working. Even if it takes for ages, and basically the thing is just taking the thing that work. That's as simple as that. Because when you, as I said, when you enter in this mindset of trying to get everything fast, you are in a very dangerous place when you are not. I mean, I was in this kind of zone before, like pretty much everybody, and it materialized in a way that I was like, oh, this course seems great because it will help me to do this faster, so I should buy it. and you can lose a lot of money, actually more than you make. Because when you are like that, then you find like the way that this person show you that course, this person makes that course easy, so you're like, okay, it seems to be the way, so I can do it quicker. But when you are in the course a bit and you find that, okay, it seems to not be as easy as I thought, and I need to put real work in order to make this thing happen, you're like, okay, I need to find all the shortcuts, and you keep going and you never stop, because shortcuts are just an illusion. They are just a tool that people use to make them buy their products. Of course, there are more efficient ways to do things, but don't look for shortcuts. It will save you a lot of money and a lot of time. Even if you at the beginning wanted to save time, you end up not having the time to put in the work that will be efficient, even if it is real work and it's long and hard. But that's the only kind of work that will work. That's a lot of work in the same sentence. So I hope this little thought was valuable to you. If yes, let a comment. If you are on YouTube, if you are on the podcast, I don't know how you can support that thing, like or rate the, yes, I think that's rating. Please rate the podcast, that would be awesome for me, and I see you on the next one. Peace.